Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, at Viral Stocks family, we have banked on a 140% winner just today that I'm so excited to talk about in today's video. Congratulations, all of you that banked on this stock. You already know what this stock is, but nevertheless, guys, you know what we do here at viralstocks.io. We got a website, we got a YouTube channel where we provide so many resources on the best penny stocks on the NASDAQ and the NYSE. Take that even a step further by subscribing to our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. I will leave that link in the description below. All you got to do, enter in your email, enter in your phone number, and we'll also, not only do you get our free penny stock alerts, but we'll also give you a completely free penny stock ebook so you can find out exactly how we get in on these trades. I will link that all in the description below, as well as pinned in the first comment. But guys, shout out to everyone that was able to get in on ticker symbol PGY. This is absolutely huge. We were actually talking about this stock on July 20th, so just a couple days ago, when it was only at $5 per share. Now at $5, it was still a massive gainer, right, from what, like $2.50 the day before, but at $5, as you guys can see, it shot all the way up to sitting at over almost $13 right now, which is a 142% gain in one single trading day. That is absolutely huge. There we go. We just crossed over 13. You can see over the last 5 days here, if we're able to get in, even yesterday when it was still sitting at $5.38, this stock shot up over 140%. That is absolutely massive and is up 372% over the last 5 days. Shout out to all of you that were able to bank on this stock. As you guys can see, if you shorted PGY, you're dead. You are most definitely not doing too well right now. If you had a short position on PGY, this stock squeezed a lot of the shorts out and was able to get us retail investors a lot of gains. So shout out to all of you guys. But anyways, let's take a look here. Why did PGY shares surge 130% in a single day? Well, the Israel fintech company lost 85% of its value in less than a month on NASDAQ, but bounced back for reasons that remain unclear on Wednesday. First off, you guys should already see they took an absolutely massive loss. Every reaction in the market is an overreaction. Ultimately, they recovered, but nevertheless, this took a completely different turn as this shot up way higher than expected. But anyways, as we can see, lots of stuff happening with this stock. We can see over here the stock jumped on the news that the company filed a prospectus related to the sale of its shares, right? This ultimately led to expectations of a potential takeover. This was the big deal leading to the potential takeover investors got excited for. Ultimately, the stock shot up in value. So this was a huge move here for PGY shareholders. Absolutely great stuff here. But as you guys can see, just so you understand, every reaction in the market is an overreaction. The stock was at $9, fell off an absolute cliff, lost over 80% of its value, then ultimately came back up 416%, even higher than it was before. Look at this. Wow, the stock was literally just sitting here. Anyway, but regardless, PGY presented a great opportunity here just for the simple fact that it was an overreaction dump from the entire market. But moving on to the next stock, guys, that is ticker symbol GFAI. Talk about a blast from the past here, guys. We've been talking about GFAI for months now, that it presented a good opportunity here for a squeeze situation, and not necessarily squeezing just yet, but hey, getting a good 16% gain out of this stock definitely feels pretty good. Now, ultimately, why did this happen and what can we expect moving forward here into the future? By the way, guys, I have two potential short squeeze scenarios here. One is ticker symbol GFAI, and we will get into the other one in just a second. But anyway, we can see here that Guardforce AI stock price surged 30% despite the company's lack of significant announcements. It appears that investors are finally catching up to what's been happening with the firm recently. Like I said, they've been having some great stuff happening with the firm. They got a letter of an intent to purchase 12 companies for $18 million, all kinds of stuff. They've signed other agreements. There's just been great stuff happening while the stock price continues to go down. But nevertheless, why did this happen? Well, it was because of this. So ultimately on July 14th, they announced that they were to participate in an all access event on July 22nd. And they also had some big announcements coming, hopefully at this event, but definitely soon. Ultimately, though, we didn't get much today, which, you know, is not necessarily a great sign, but can we expect to get this stuff in the relatively near future? I think you could reasonably assume yes, but that is ultimately why this stock surged, because this stuff was going around, which got investors pretty hype about it, and ultimately rose the stock up about 16%. Today it was up a little over 20% at its highs. Now, as you can see here, though, the price target for GFAI is sitting at $2. So even if it was able to achieve half of this price target, we would still see a massive over triple digit gain on this stock, which is exactly what we want to see. And at a $2 price target, it gives us lots of room to make a lot of money here, especially if this stock starts to short squeeze. Now, the second scenario that I'm looking at is ticker symbol MULN, or Mulligan Automotive. Guys, Mulligan, I mean, come on, after that short report, they got beaten down quite a bit. We already banked on this stock over 300% before, but now they're down 70% off that short report. But nevertheless, Mulligan is legit, guys. I mean, they're killing it lately. Mulligan eliminates $17.5 million in company debt. We can see they announced, obviously that wasn't today, a little while ago, but they announced they have eliminated $17.5 million in company debt and reduced its overall from more than $30 million last year to an estimated $11 million currently. That is absolutely huge, but that is just the start of it. As we can see, the Mulligan Automotive stock soars after Amazon delivery partner orders up to 600 EVs. Absolutely huge to have a partnership with, believe, Fortune 500 company that is this big. Absolutely huge there. And then we also see, again, Mulligan Automotive reminds shareholders of an upcoming annual meeting. This is coming up on July 26, 2022, 9:30 a.m. If we get some good news here, we could see another pop in Mulligan stock. Regardless, still represents a great company here. I have to agree with this Seeking Alpha article. Mulligan, a force in the making. Just so much good stuff coming on here. I do think you can see the car is awesome. I mean, come on, it looks like the Lamborghini Urus. What's not to like about that car? Even the door handles look like it. I mean, come on. But regardless, I do think Mulligan presents a good opportunity here, as this is a company that keeps delivering on all of their promises. As long as they keep that up, I do think Mulligan presents a great opportunity. But many stocks in the market are absolutely soaring today. We got Tough Built Industries, which is up 29% today, almost 30% today. And this is what appears to be another short squeeze situation. The company's high short interest has led retail investors to pile into this name. Now the question is, will this squeeze continue? Will it be sustained? Or ultimately, does it continue to go down from here? We'll have to see how that ultimately plays out. Other stocks like ticker symbol TKLF, which has nothing to do with its name, but hey, regardless, this stock is up 41% today. As we can see, this is on acquisition news. So you guys should know already that there is a lot of things to make money in the market. There's money to be made on overreactions. Acquisitions always make a lot of money. Biotechs make a lot of money with FDA news. Tons of things that you guys should be aware of to look out for. All stuff that we go over in that ebook that you guys to look for in the market ultimately, right? And so if you want to get that ebook and all of our penny stock alerts, make sure and sign up. That link will be in the description below, guys. It's completely free, no hidden fees. Unsubscribe anytime you want if you don't like our alerts. Hey, completely up to you. It's completely free, so why not try it, right? But anyways, guys, let's move on here to the next ticker symbol, which is going to be HNGR, Hanger. As we can see, guys, this stock is sitting at $18 right now, up 25%. Any guesses on the news? Well, buyout offer. Okay, guys, so many opportunities here in this market to make a ton of money. Really excited about PGY, though, and everything that has come for it just recently, right? I mean, just over the last couple of days here, over the last one day. As you guys can see, it's up over 100% since we talked about it. Shorts are dying, right? I mean, just great stuff here happening in penny stock world. Also, a couple short squeeze scenarios there that I do believe could play out as well, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys are thinking right now, what you guys are looking at as far as penny stocks go. Let's put together a list and try to bank on some more stocks. Also, guys, if you could, let me know down in the comments if you guys can see the articles on our website. We've been getting a couple complaints lately that the articles aren't showing up, like the new ones aren't showing up. Now, we haven't written an article since the July 19th, I believe, because of this situation, so we're trying to get this straightened out. So let me know down in the comments below if you can see the July 19th article, 18th article, and then also, some of the last three, which would have been 19, 18, 17. There was two on 19, I think. But yeah, let me know if you can see those, and if not, let me know what is the last article you can see. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you, and I will see you in the next one.